Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you why Snapchat sound isn't working and how to fix it. Let's get started. First of all, tap on account icon at the top left of the screen. After that, select settings at the top right of the screen. Here select notifications, select enable notifications, and after that scroll down and check that you have vibrate and sound notifications. After that, open the settings, scroll down and select apps. Here search Snapchat application, tap on notifications and turn on show notifications. Select allow sound and vibration, tap on notification categories and select all notifications. And most importantly, to turn on the microphone when recording, tap on permissions, select microphone and select allow only while using the app. After that, you will be able to record Snapchat video with sound. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.